Wait, 3 hearts? It's not just for pumping. It's about timing. An octopus has 3 hearts. But is that an overkill? 2 pump to the gills and 1 to the body. Let's test this question right now. Fish use their gills to breathe. Water flows right over them. Oh, that's how they get oxygen. Oxygen enters here. Watch it flow into the blood. Next, it's delivered right to the muscles. But there's a problem. Their hearts don't use a single pump. They have 2 separate gill chambers.
Which means there are 2 main places where oxygen pickup happens. If one pump tried to combine, pick up oxygen, and send oxygen to the body, the system would blur the steps together. In a fast animal, blur becomes delay. That is why octopuses typically have 3 hearts. They have 1 main, body distribution heart. And they have 2 smaller branchial hearts. Branchial just means gill-related. Each branchial heart pumps blood through its own gill route. After the blood returns oxygen-rich, the main heart pushes that oxygen to the rest of the body. In plain terms, the octopus separates oxygen pickup from oxygen delivery. Separation matters because an octopus can go from calm to explosive in seconds. It can explore, jet away, grab prey, and squeeze into tight spaces. Each shift changes how many cells are burning energy. More movement means more oxygen demand. When the body's demand spikes, delivery has to surge without waiting for the next pickup moment. There is also a flow advantage. Water flow over gills is not fixed. Posture, currents, and behavior change how water contacts the breathing surfaces. An octopus can angle its body and alter how it moves. With dedicated gill-side pumping, oxygen routing can stay organized as those conditions change. Even if one route performs differently for a moment, the design is built to keep oxygen moving to where it is needed. You might wonder whether biology could simply make one super pump do everything. But gills are about transferring oxygen from water into blood. Muscles are about consuming that oxygen. One universal rhythm can't perfectly match both jobs at once. Splitting the circulation lets each stage match the task. Now add one detail that explains why delays matter. And if pickup and delivery get tangled, those states can mix in the wrong phase. That lowers the usable oxygen per unit time. And because an octopus has sudden bursts of movement, those tiny losses show up fast as a real limitation. With separate pumps, the gills can focus on oxygen pickup, while the main heart keeps distribution steady. So the body gets fewer dips and spikes. There is also a flow control buffer. Water flow over one gill route can drop if the octopus changes posture or angles its body. When pickup and delivery are split, the system can keep oxygen moving and adapting instead of forcing the whole circuit to wait on one moment of breathing. That makes the design more reliable when conditions change minute by minute. And the oxygen is real, not metaphorical. Octopus blood carries oxygen using hemocyanin, an oxygen-binding protein. When hemocyanin binds oxygen, blood often takes on a bluish look people notice in documentaries. Still, even strong oxygen binding doesn't help if oxygen arrives late. That is the core reason timing is everything. 3 hearts are the timing system for delivery. Researchers have spent years connecting cephalopod physiology to behavior. Jennifer Mather is known for showing how these animals combine flexible behavior with real biological constraints. Fabrizio Fiorito's work highlights how quickly octopuses shift between different actions. Roger T. Hanlon's research on behavior and ecology helps you see that performance isn't separate from survival needs. Across all of those studies, one theme keeps returning. When behavior changes fast, physiology must keep up. Now bring the twist into focus. 3 hearts isn't more hearts for no reason. It is a circulation pipeline. 2 branchial hearts are intake pumps for oxygen pickup. 1 main heart is the distribution pump for oxygen delivery. Gills do the gills' job. The body does the body's job. Together, the design keeps oxygen reliable during the moments when the octopus needs it most. So answer the question again. Why do octopuses have 3 hearts? Because 3 hearts split oxygen pickup from oxygen delivery, so the timing stays clean and oxygen arrives exactly when the body needs it.